One of the first things you have to declutter is your story. You know, the story of why you are the way you are in relationship to your stuff. Like I hear a lot, you want to visit the story, but you don't want to attach yourself so strongly to it that it gets in the way of taking care of your stuff now. Like, let me give you an example. I'm working with a woman who saw me on YouTube, called me. I'm working with her over the phone. 50% of my clients are over the phone now, and we work week to week. And I totally love her. She's fabulous. We've worked 3 times together, and she said working with me is like, maybe I mentioned this before, was like getting the get out of jail free card. And because we made one adjustment to how she was thinking about something, and it just set a whole opening path for her. But one of the reasons why she was in trouble, I don't know if I should go into this now. I lost my train of thought. That happens sometimes. I don't have to get upset. You never want to upset yourself. Go, oh, well, that happens sometimes. So it will circle back. Why did I want to talk?
Living in the past.
Living in the past.
Visiting the past.
Revisiting.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So this is actually really interesting to me. It's so interesting, I forgot. You gotta just roll with it, you know? So she said, this is who I am. Okay, this is really important, actually. Okay, did everyone get this? This is not light. This is, if you're upset, I want you to turn your worry into wonder, concern and curiosity, and then try again. Okay, so she said something like, this is who I am. And she was talking about her relationship to her stuff and her worry. She's very competitive. It's like she's very concerned about the neighbors being able to declutter, but there's something wrong with her and she can't declutter, but she doesn't understand what's wrong with her because she's actually a better person than her neighbor. And we got down that road. Okay, so you got to declutter how you're thinking about this so you can even start. And I said, well, how about if it wasn't, World War III out there and you don't have to go to war, you're just going through your stuff. And she said, I never thought of it that way. I said, great. Anyone who says that to me, I think we're making headway. So do you know the difference between shame and embarrassment?
One is about who you are and one is about your action.
Very good. This is not my work. This is Brene Brown. Okay, brilliant, brilliant worker if you want to get out of your shame. Do you know her? Brene Brown, she's one of the best teachers I've ever been exposed to. The difference, all her work is around shame and embarrassment. Shame is when you make your problem who you are. There's no way out. This is who I am, I'm stuck with it. I was born this way, my parents made me this way. If I hadn't had the history I had, I'd be a better person. This is all about who you are. Shame, you can't get out of shame. But embarrassment is like, wow, I really screwed up, huh? I better do a better job next time. The embarrassment is a behavior that you can change. Shame is when you've personalized your behavior. You personalize your clutter as evidence that you're really screwed up, or there's something wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. Everyone in this room is totally fine if you're willing to learn and stay with it. You have to persevere instead of give up. This is very important distinction. So if you're feeling shame, turn it into embarrassment and go, okay, I'm willing to learn and ask for help.